Good day everyone and welcome to this tutorial. This is our first step, to create the base for this model, which can be used later, to create a high level of detail, game-ready model. Since we cannot use the current model, due to its high poly count, as mentioned in the previous video. I am going to cover the bases only in this video. However, if you want to see the full tedious, technical process, let me know in the comments. Select a vehicle part, to start the retopology, and hide everything else. We need one side only of this part, select the polygons of the other side, and hide them. Select Freeform menu, on the ribbon tools bar, select Draw on Surface, press Pick Object, then New Object. Switch to Vertices view, start drawing a low poly Fender, using the Step Build tool. Left mouse click to insert a point, or a vertex, create 4 vertices, hold Shift, then left click and drag, to form a polygon. Follow the Fender curves, and insert vertices along them. Hold Shift, then left-click and drag, to form polygon stripe, between the inserted vertices. We need to equal the distances between these vertices, along the curves, especially for curved parts, like the fenders. Right-click, to exit the Step Build tool, switch to Modeling menu, select the loop, to equally distribute the vertices along it. Go to the Loop tool, press space, repeat the process for each loop you want to equally distribute its vertices. You need to adjust any vertex, or polygon, that does not snap correctly on the surface. There is a lot of flexibility in using the Retopology tool inside 3ds Max, comparing to Maya. You can switch between the modeling and the Freeform menu at any time, and use every advantage of their tools in order to complete your build. You can apply symmetry on the object level. Also, you can apply the Turbosmooth modifier. However, this is just for a demonstration purpose. These steps are for the refining stage, which comes later, after completing the base. During the retopology, I like to do a quick rendering, from time to time. For that I am using the Scanline Renderer. In order to get back to the Retopology Build tool, select the object level, then switch to the Freeform menu. The most used tool for retopology, after the Build tool, is the Extend tool. Hold Shift and pick an edge to extend, or hold Ctrl and Shift to extend the whole loop. Activate the Snap tool and distribute the extended vertices over the surface. Practice Retopology if you want to learn more about designing vehicles in 3ds Max. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.